shut off for this cooler is with the rest of that kitchen stuff and right above the server line.
Okay.
That's where the shut off for this one is.
Yeah.
There are no condensers, no cool chillers inside of the units. This one you will need an extension ladder. And it is right where that light is, unfortunately.
Is it? The filter you mean, right?
Well, you got the chiller.
Oh, the chiller.
The filter's on it right there.
Alright.
It's right there. All your best bet would be. It might. No, it's definitely right there. Look where that light is. But it's on this wall.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
They've built that sitting right on top of it. The bottom of it's at 16 feet.
Okay.
So that's where the chiller and the for that one is. I don't know why the light is.
Yeah.
Those are receptacles, the bubble fillers.
Yeah.
It's a plug-in,
Okay.
so I don't know.
Good gym, isn't it? Good gym for basketball games in here. Yeah.
This one he's got plugged in.
Can check my phone after the game.
Yeah, exactly.
This one's right here. It's in there.
Okay.
Filter and a condenser. Chill up and cool up. Really nothing else in here other than those two bubblers. We don't have anything in the media center. How's it going, everything good?
Oh, it's going good.
Alright, we got the chiller is right above you with the shut off and everything.
Yeah.
Right here. Looks like the insulator needs to get in here still on that one. We got a janitor's sink here. The shut offs for that janitor's sink
Yep.
and this bathroom are right in that access panel right underneath of there.
Okay.
So, shut offs for that, for both this side, the janitor's sinks, for the second and third floor, are in that access panel underneath the labs. The second floor is under here for your shut offs. And your third floor shut offs are in the access panel on the third floor.
Yep.
That's where they were at. The shut offs are in the access panels of the bathrooms there with the recirc balance out.
Alright.
Two urinals and an access panel. There's probably a handy here for testing purposes at one point.
Will it slow fit in now? If I was able to change that?
Will a Sloan fit there?
It looks like it's the same thing.
Well, here's a Sloan right here. These are Sloans. But I don't
Looks the
see
same.
a urinal on it, yeah. I'm not sure.
That's Why do they want American standard for, what's that? Why American standard?
I don't know, it's what they specify, I don't have control over that. I just put it in, But usually it is Sloan, man, but.
They're probably the same, I know the diaphragms are different because they're small.
They are absolutely different.
Is the handle assembly the same or not?
As that, it's a little bit different. This one has a washer, I don't think those do. Those, for some reason, it doesn't have a
The
washer.
cartridge type thing.
It just screws on there, there's no washer, nothing there, just goes in there and plunger. Pushes up on that and releases the water through it. Yeah, I know your Sloan got the disc style.
Yeah.
Sometimes those things, they get the copper sediment down that little